I'm Polymath. I travel throughout the country helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I'm very concerned about one of my students. It seems like there's nothing anyone can say to this child. They cause trouble in class, which lands them in ISS, where they cause trouble again. Recently, their behavior escalated to the point that they landed in juvenile court, where they talked back to the judge. What can be done? Well, this is a really complicated one, and I'm going to answer this the best way I can from my experiences. When I've worked with older children that have gotten themselves into this level of difficulty, that now they're facing juvenile law situations, this may be the time when the wall or the limit has finally been set. So the best thing we can do with those kids is preventative. Stop changing the behavior plan. Stop tiptoeing around. Put something into place and follow through every single time. These are kids that are pushing and pushing and pushing because they're not in control. The adults in their life have not been in control or at least sent that message that they are. And so they're still looking for it. And it breaks my heart when kids get to this place. And then I've had kids who have come to me and said, I don't know how this happened. How did I end up here? And I'm like, oh, I could have told you how this was going to go down. But it didn't start when the kid faced the judge. So really what's in your control is to be able to prevent it and put some things in place. Love this child, but also be consistent with the limits. And whatever happens in the end, when they do get to this place, probably something more is going to happen. And at some point in their life, the bell's going to go off and they're going to remember the part that you did, which was to put those limits in place and love them at the same time. And hopefully it turns them around at adults when they become adults. So super tough question. It didn't start yesterday. This started a long time ago for this kiddo. Stand by them, be there. It does break your heart. It hurts. But you know that all they're doing is saying, somebody help me. Somebody put the limits in. I don't know what to do anymore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.